This is going to be a quick tutorial about how to add elements like sticky notes to a Miro board. If you need to learn how to navigate a Miro board first, take a look at the link in the description of this video. Okay, along the left-hand side of your Miro board is a toolbar, and there are going to be various elements here that might be useful as you play in your Miro board. First is the sticky note tool. Now this looks like a square with a little folded up corner. You can click on this. If you'd like, you can pick a color, but then you just need to click on the board and then start typing in order to add that sticky note with text to the board. Other tools that might be useful in the toolbar are the text tool. Same thing, you click to select the tool and then click again on the board to type something. There are also shapes that you can add to the board, and also a pen tool. I won't get into the details of this, but it's more something that you can play with on your own and figure out. One more thing to keep in mind, if you mouse over the different tools, there's going to be a keyboard shortcut next to each one that you can use to move more quickly. So for example, the sticky note is keyboard shortcut N. So if I hit N on the keyboard, it selects that tool. If I hit P on the keyboard, it selects the pen tool. Okay, that's how to add elements to your Miro board.